Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Volkswagen Jetta SE partial zero-emission vehicle. This four-door sedan has a 5-cylinder, 2.5-liter i5 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Volkswagen has less than 85,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, and window defogger.